Welcome to this week's how-to on fruits and vegetables. It's going to be a Q&A style, and Adam's going to answer some questions that you may have on eating your fruits and vegetables each week. So Adam, why is it important to include fruits and vegetables daily, and what does that look like for each meal?
So fruits and vegetables offer a good source of vitamins and nutrients that your body needs to grow and develop. So a lot of those vitamins and minerals you're going to get, especially in colorful fruits, vegetables. So you want to make sure you fill your plate full of different types of colors, because each one is going to provide different things like folate, vitamin C, vitamin A, just based on the different colors you're getting. One way that fruits and vegetables really help you for success is they'll help you maintain or even lose weight. Because of the things like dietary fiber, which help you stay full longer. It's going to help with gut digestion, things like that are going to help you process food and also feel more satiated.
Good. So what are some differences between fresh, frozen, and canned fruits and vegetables?
So fresh is a great option because a lot of times the fresh foods you're seeing in the grocery store are in season. So in season gives you an opportunity to kind of mix it up, especially you get towards the fall where we're starting to get some summer squashes and things like that. And then in the spring, you're getting some fresh berries and things. So you're mixing up your palate profile with different nutrients throughout the year. Frozen and canned are also good options because the companies that collect them are harvesting them at their peak ripeness. So you're getting them when they're full of nutrients, and then they're getting harvested right then and there. And then frozen is also great because a lot of times they're not adding any kind of sugar or sauces or sodium into the mix. So when you're looking at the store, you want to make sure that the frozen ones, that they're in their most natural state. As far as canned items, you're looking for things like low sodium. For fruit, you're looking for things that are preserved in either water or 100% natural fruit juice, and that's going to help keep the calories down while also giving the most nutrients in it.
Great. So I do hear that a lot of people say that your fruits are high in sugar. So what's the difference between a naturally occurring sugar and then your added or artificial sugars?
Yeah, so your natural sugar, when the fruit or vegetable is harvested, it's going to be in its most natural state. They're not adding anything artificial into the mix. Artificial sugars, they are added, and a lot of times what they're doing is creating them in a laboratory to help things feel more sweet and enjoyable. So a lot of times the natural sugars are a little bit more difficult to overeat compared to things that have more added sugar. And then a good general guideline is when you're looking at the nutrition label, if you see things in the nutrition label that have the word oats or anything like that, a lot of times maltose or high fructose corn syrup or anything like that is a good indicator of the added sugar that's going into that product there.
So eat your fruits and veggies. We hope that these brought you some tips and tricks to add those fruits and vegetables into your diet. If you do have any questions about any of this, please see a staff member.